Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a veganized version of a corn casserole, which is a staple holiday potluck kind of side dish here in the South. It is my husband's absolute favorite, and I took a recipe that I will link down below, like the original for you, and I veganized it, and my husband absolutely loves it. So I wanted to share it with all of you. I have to make it like every holiday now, or I am fired. So I just want to share it with all of you guys. Keep in mind, it is not oil-free, but it is delicious. It is vegan, and you can pretty much substitute a few of the ingredients with anything that you like. With whatever your preferences are. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So these are the 5 ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 can of creamed corn. This creamed corn actually doesn't have any cream in it at all. That's why I'm showing you the ingredients here. It is actually vegan, but you would never guess that. So just make sure you do check the ingredients. And you're going to need 1 can of regular corn, drained. You're going to need a package of cornbread mix. Just make sure it doesn't have any honey in it if you're not okay with that. I'm using a gluten-free version. And then you're going to need some vegan butter. I'm using this Earth Balance soy-free. And then you're going to need some sort of plant-based sour cream. I'm using this Kite Hill almond and coconut blend because of Celie's cashew allergy. And then you are going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So the first thing that I do is measure out my vegan butter. I measure it out into a smaller 1/2 cup measuring cup before putting it into a glass measuring cup to microwave it to melt it down. And honestly, if you can get a stick vegan butter that's already like pre-measured into a 1/2 cup size, that would be easiest. But unfortunately, the soy-free Earth Balance doesn't come that way, so I have to do it the hard way. So now I'm going to start putting things into my mixing bowl. First thing going in is the creamed corn, then the drained can of corn. Then I will be putting in the melted butter. Next will be the whole thing of sour cream because it was pre-measured into 8 ounces. And then I am going to stir all of that together and make sure it is well incorporated and mixed really well before I add in the last ingredient, which is the cornbread mix. And then I'm going to stir that up really, really well. Then I'm going to grease my 8x8 baking dish. I just use a paper towel and the Earth Balance butter to do this. This is like the old-fashioned way that my grandmother taught me. And then I'm going to give my mix one more stir and pour the mixture right in. And make sure I scrape the bowl and get every ounce of that out that I can. And then I'm going to try to smooth it out the best that I can as well, and try to get it nice and even inside the dish. If you've made it to this point in the video, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And now we're at the last step of putting the casserole in the oven, and we're going to set the oven timer for 45 minutes to start out with. And I did end up adding another 5 minutes to the timer after the 45 minutes. I just didn't feel like it was golden enough for me, but After the 50 minutes, you can see it comes out of the oven beautiful on top, nice and golden, and it was absolutely delicious. We had leftovers for a couple of days after, and it reheats like so good. So let me know down in the comments below if you try out this recipe and how you like it. I would love to hear about it. And don't come for me that it's not oil-free, because this is definitely a special occasion type dish. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.